Hey guys, welcome to another video on my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing a camera test of the Samsung Galaxy A10. So the Samsung Galaxy A10 has a 13 megapixel at the back with a flash, and at the front it just has a 5 megapixel with no flash. So the 13 megapixel at the back has no image stabilization and it shoots at 1080p full HD. And I can say that from what you're seeing on the screen, the video quality is really good. But if we are going to see it now, I had to reduce the quality because of my editing. I can say that this device is on a budget camera smartphone, and I really like the camera of the phone. It's quite impressive from what I've seen so far, and there are some things this camera lacks. It doesn't shoot time lapse or slow-mo, but it shoots pro mode, panorama, video and normal photos. It doesn't have face beauty or anything like that. But I can say from this picture, this is the pro mode of the Samsung Galaxy A10, while this is the normal mode of the Samsung Galaxy A10. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace.